guys, I'm Sugar Daddy from the Michigan Ghost Airsoft team. I just wanted to come in real quick before the video and give a little heads up. This video is probably going to be about a little bit of like what we do, showcasing what we do, the field we play, our home field, things like that. There will be more videos like this in the future. It'll get better over time. We're just starting up, so just wait for the future. Things are gonna get better. It's gonna be a little bit more intense, a little bit more feisty, zesty, saucy, but yeah, we'll see you guys in the future with all the good stuff.
I'll go ask for a bag of snacks or something. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, snap.
Here. Oh, almost. Adjusting. There we go. Come on, adjust it. Can I get 18 Cokes? I'm kidding. I don't even know if I have that many. I'll take a snack bag. You wanna see what it looks like? No. No?
He doesn't care.
I do. I'm just so sweaty and disgusting right now that I don't want to.
He doesn't give a. He does not care about
what?
you.
Is that the Alibaba?
What am I giving you? One of these?
NVG?
Yeah, bro.
It's the Amazon NVG.
It's what the Chinese are using. It's the most high tech.
I know.
True.
Check it out.
Chinaman.
You wanna see it?
Yeah, let me see it.
Yeah.
High tech and dope as fuck.
What the hell?
What did you want?
What? Oh, snack bag.
Oh.
Anything works.
I don't like that.
I know.
Get him trail mix.
You want trail mix?
I'm not a complainer.
Mix of the trail.
The trail mix is great, actually.
All right, how much?
It's 50 cents.
50 cents.
What? No, I'm joking.
That's a deal.
At the airport, a bag like that is $1.50.
For real?
Yeah.
Well, so it cost us 46 cents. We don't actually make money off like chips and stuff, but
That's just one.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're shooting kids.
Is it recording?
Somewhat. Hey, where the fuck is my money, Lebowski? What the heck?
Is it recording? Okay. But
Give me my money, Lebowski.
no.
The crap we do. Oh my god, it has pictures of me on the side?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Atlantic Tactical.
What? Yeah. I like him to kick hard, you know what I mean? Yeah. Ow!
Detroit Urban Survival Tactics and Training.
What if I were to just pull the trigger right now?
It would waste all your gas, so it'd be worse for you than for me. Here, try it.
No, I don't want to. If it's gonna waste all my... I didn't mean to hit you that hard. See, the thing is, when they grab on your gun, you gotta get your fingers over, under, and then you gotta peel it off. And then once that happens, you go for the dick and you shoot.
What about if I like come over here?
I go like this. I get it in, and I whip it, and I... So they got the gun up. I'm like, oh snap. I don't want to get hurt, sir. I don't want to get hurt. Oh. My flashlight, no! Down is up, up is down. Down is up and up is down.
That's how hop-ups are, right? That's how mine is. I got a cool one.
See that cop on the internet though that's like, yeah, if somebody's pointing a gun at you, just don't move and comply. He had some other dude like pointing a gun at him and he went to reach for it and every time he even like moved it in, he just click, click.
Let's go, Riley! Let's go!
Wait, do it again.
Do it again. We should shoot it, Mike.
Yeah, I'm with Sniper. As Riley walks on, we just pull him with BBs.
So it's capture the flag, right? Do we smoke the flag? Like, smoke it?
Which guy?
Somebody runs up.
I think we should give one of the birthday kids a smoke.
Well, I only have one smoke, so.
I got 2, but
I got 1.
Is that one even yours? I think you should give yours up.
fuck.
Yeah, that's our.
Not really.
It's up to, I don't.
Alright. Straight up that building right there.
Yeah, what I'd suggest doing is going up to that satellite thing, or no, going up to the bush, the berm right here next to the building, and just throwing it in front.
Yeah.
Alright.
Good spot's probably going to be like, what is that? Is that an old boat right there? Whatever that is, that'd be a good spot to stand if you can't get there right away.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm gonna follow you.
Ready!
Shake it, yep. Oh shit.
Oh shit, I'm hit. Hit my helmet. Yeah. What?
Hold on, I'm going to have to grab another smoke.
Throw it to the left side instead of the right side in the house.
Yeah. I'm going to throw another one to the left side. Alright. There's a dude here. He's really popping out. Is there? Yeah. Of course there is. Right over there. He's behind that like little thing. Water canister thing.
Oh, okay.
What do you guys want to do?
Watch out, I'm moving up, so I can... Reloading.
We gotta go.
Hey, Isaac, I'm gonna run up next to Hayden and probably get this smoking.
Watch the left side, they're on the left side. I literally, I'm sitting there and the dude's shooting at me and I can see his BBs coming and I'm just like, he's going past me. He's on that water canister on the right side of it. I'm crossing you. No, he's not.
That was somebody.
I'm hit. This kind of sucks. Ah, ankle. How close is that? You think I can pop it and just around the corner?
Maybe.
Because they're literally right around the corner.
There's definitely a chance.
Am I allowed to hop on the road and...
Yeah, just don't go past the road.
Okay.
Like stay, you gotta stay on the incline of the berm.
Okay.
Go for this.
Nice fucking cross.
Push! Go, go, push! We're outside you. Up top, I'm going top.
Got you. I'm fine.
They're right in front of us. Right in front of us. 12.
Hit.
I'm out of ammo for my scar. Yeah. Got a pistol though. Watch out, don't. They're throwing smoke. Move! He's pushing! He's pushing! He's pushing up! He's pushing! He's pushing up on it! Woo! I saw those people go pat my fucking head.
Push, push.
Hit? How?
Can I go, Travis? Go, go, go.